In this video, I'll show you how to use Wallpaper Engine step by step. First, open up Steam and go to Store, search Wallpaper Engine, select the Wallpaper Engine, scroll down, select Add to Cart and purchase this. Once done, go to Library and in drop down, select this checkmark Software, and then you can able to see this Wallpaper Engine. Select the Wallpaper Engine, install. Once installed, done, launch Wallpaper Engine, select Play. These are the default wallpapers you can select just by clicking on it, and it's changed. As you can see, you can customize all colors in background. As you can see, accent color changing to red. As you can see, it changed. And now I'll show you guys how to find new wallpapers. Go to discover and select the wallpaper you like. You can actually search. I'm gonna search G. Select the one you like. Select the subscribe option, and this will download 6 MB. Once the download done, it will be automatically set to a background. This is how you can download new wallpapers from outside. Now I'll show you guys how to change the settings. Select the settings and under quality for low-end PCs, select the low option, and this will best for you guys. For high-end PCs, select the ultra and set the FPS to 60. It's going to be the best, and select OK to save changes. Go back to the settings, go to general, and you can set this wallpaper engine start with Windows. You don't want to manually start the engine, select the OK option and it will be saved. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.